here you go, guys. So I'm just kind of expanding this here so you can really see the gap right here. And this was on earnings back at the end of January, and that bottom of that gap there was about 378, 379 area. So that thing, like Alan said, completely filled that gap. Now, if it filled it off of a technical move, and this is not a technical move that we're seeing this morning, but if it filled it off a technical move, then you could look at that and say, you know, that could be a possibility for an entry point, right? Once we fill the gap, maybe going up higher. But this is not a technical move today, guys. So again, we will look at this. We'll keep bowing up here. I can't imagine we're going to do anything in the interim. We'll see how this trades here. Again, I think we're going to see just a massive amount of volume between the 50 and the 200 day here, and we'll see.